Hi friends, it's Alex Smith and I'm here on Torrance Boulevard and Acacia. We've got a great 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment for a lease. Just flip the camera around. Ground level, so there's only 2 steps. So this is great for folks that don't want to handle a flight of stairs. Hardwood floors, blinds. We got lots of storage space. Nice size coat closet here, and there's 2 or 3 more closets that way. Here's the kitchen. We got lots of counter space. And this cool door here like that. That door goes to the outside of the building. It's nice if you want a little cross breeze. So lots of counter space. And we got some really cool vintage appliances. I know some people are really into that. We got a wall heater there. Okay, here's bedroom 1. Window to the outside. Nice closet. Lots of space in the closet, and there's even a hookup right there, electrical hookup. Here's this closet. We passed by it, a little linen closet there. And here's another deep, skinny closet. And then here's the full bath. And there's even a handrail for folks who need a little help getting in and out of the tub. And we're on the ground floor, so that's great for some people. And here we are in bedroom number 2 with a good amount of closet space in both directions there. So if this looks like something that could work for you, then you've got to reach out to us at Smith Properties. You can go on our website, smith-properties.com/for-rent, or you can call us at our office, 424-234-3940. We also text at that number. Have a wonderful day. Take care.